Welcome. I am Eric with Mother.com and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. In this video, we are going to be taking a look again at Amazon. Why not? Let's see what we can learn from this chart. Alright, so this is the 2-year weekly, but before I go to the weekly chart, I'm going to include some links in the description of this video where I discuss Amazon. This is February 22nd, so these prior videos are going to make sense and going to help you frame this current video. So there will be some links. There's one video there that you can check out. If I forget to include the video links, here are the videos. Another one here talking about Amazon recently, and another one here talking about how past behavior tends to repeat. All of those were videos I was highlighting Amazon. Now I want to go back to the highs right here. Or maybe what I should do is, to be consistent with the last two previous videos or so, let's take a look at the MACD. Now we can see the MACD, this is the weekly, 2-year weekly chart. Just to be clear, 2-year weekly chart for Amazon. And we want to take a look at the MACDs, and we see that from what I can see, there was an attempt to cross over here that fails. So this is the line in the short term that it would need to clear at the very earliest, at the very least, if it's going to start recovering. Otherwise, if this line turns into resistance on the MACD and it starts pointing down, expect things to be moving lower. Also, remember, we talked about the idea, the notion, the understanding that when the RSI, but when the MACD is below zero, the momentum generally is sideways to down. And you can see both the MACDs are below zero. So generally the momentum continues to be as you can see. And one of the videos I was discussing this area here where there was possibility of resistance, and you can check out that video. That one was based on the daily. Now that daily video essentially was talking about this line here, how to draw what I call uniformity lines, an original concept. And we can see that if we take a look at this line, which by the way, conveniently, or should I say magically, happens to be around that RSI 61.8, as I've been teaching for years. Again, my own researched concept here is, you'll notice that on this line, the blue line, which is again around that weekly RSI 61.8, you can see that if you're using that concept, you could see that the stock struggled over a period of more than a year. All of these were resistances, all of them showing where the stock was rejected. And here we have uniform activity above the line, back below it. We know that means a reversal is taking place. This is a trap. Yep. Was it a trap? Correct. Here we try and go above it, trapping people into this attempted breakout. And from that area, you can see prices have reflected what the RSI was telling us. After resistance here, prices have responded lower. And for added color, even assuming you are not looking at the RSI, there was a failed breakout. And as we know, as I say all the time, failed breakouts are notorious for taking instruments lower, because you tend to experience this type of a move. This was just a quick snapshot, so you can have some sense of understanding. There are going to be lots of videos, lots, hundreds of videos on my YouTube channel discussing all of these concepts. If you're interested, there are going to be links in the description taking you to many of my free playlists. And so it is. I am Eric with Mother.com, and I leave you exactly as I found you, in the love and in the embrace of the one infinite creator. Go forth rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one creator, Adonai. Alright, since you're still here, if you are looking for premium educational content that I do not share on YouTube, that is for paid clients, and you can get that material, take a look at it, see whether it does resonate with you, Take a free trial if you want to. Of course, no pressure. If you want to follow along with my free YouTube videos, they are also sufficient. But in truth, I've saved my best content for paid clients. As always, peace and blessings. Mwah.